Coming up, see never-before footage of the all-new Paws factory.
Works. I won't do the black. I don't want to see that.
It used to be a purchasing agent.
Yeah.
So I developed all them relationships that a lot of other people that are in authority don't have.
When we kicked this thing off, we kicked it off not to fail. So we threw everything that engineering had. Because the one thing that MORRIDE doesn't do is take engineering lightly.
Yeah.
You know, when we built this product, we built it not to fail.
I feel very good about it. Like, I don't feel like it's going to fail because it's so strong.
Watching the videos that you guys have done, there's nothing that we apologize for.
But the same thing is with like our vendors. All of my vendors, if I call them up, they'll do everything within their power to get me a part, and I can do that without getting nasty with them because we're partners, we're true partners. That's what I want to develop with all of you too. We're partners in this, you know. That's the only way we'll survive.
What's up, everyone? Shane here with ROA Off-Road. We just got back from the Paws factory in Indiana, and wow, we were just blown away. Honestly, we really didn't know what to expect when going there. It was our first time visiting a manufacturer like Paws, who is owned by one of the biggest RV manufacturers in America. I can't tell you enough how impressed I was by everything they are doing over at Paws. The quality and innovation they put into the products. The innovation is just insane. Like, we talked to one of the engineers that is working on Paws, and he told us not one part or item on the Paws has been used on their previous products. The reality is, even though these units are made in Indiana and are under a big manufacturer, they don't do anything the same, and that's something Maynard, the man behind the idea for Paws, and he is really cool. But Maynard wanted to not only make a trailer that nobody in America is making, but also create a new culture in the RV industry. It was so cool. We got to meet a lot of the people behind each component in the Paws, like the people who do their cabinets and Truma, and Garmin, Victron, and MORRIDE, who does the frame and suspension. And wow, MORRIDE is insane. Like, we got to see two of their factories, and they are doing things for the Paws that have never been done before, like the frame and the suspension. The reality is that so many different manufacturers and people are contributing to the Paws, and that is because of Maynard and the culture they have created at Paws. So we just wanted to show you a little bit from the factory tour and kind of explain what we did and how it was. These episodes will be coming out weekly, so don't miss out. We are really going to try to show as much as we can because we just think it's really valuable and they're doing things nobody else is doing. Anyways, I hope you look forward to it, and we are excited to show you. So stay tuned.